Hello students, welcome to my channel MathWiz. In today's video, I am going to solve one full past paper, that is IGCSE Maths 0580 paper 2-1 of year May-June 2020. So first let us see the instructions. You can see here this is 058021 May-June 2020 paper 2, duration 1 hour 30 minutes. Now one by one I'll solve each and every question with all the steps required. So let's start with the first question. It says rectangle A measures 3 centimeter by 8 centimeter. You can see the diagram here. A 3 centimeter by 8 centimeter. 5 rectangles congruent to A are joined to make a shape. Work out the perimeter of this shape. As you know, to find perimeter means we need to add all the sides around the shape. So here we need to mark, or we need to put the measurements there, whatever dimensions given on the diagram, so that it will be easy for us to add them together. So let me show you one by one. So as you can see, this width is 3. So one second. Width is 3. Centimeter. This is 8. This is also 8. This also will be 3. Now what about this? This from here to here, this is 3. So out these other two parts are 5. So 5 divided by 2, that will be 2.5, 2.5, right? Next, this will be 8. This also will be 8. Same way, this is 2.5, 2.5. This is 3. This is 3. This is 2.5. This is 2.5. 8 here. This is also 8. Next is 3. Here 3. So we have written all the sides. Here this is missing, so let's write this is 2.5. This is also 2.5. So if we count and write them, 8 repeated 6 times. So 8 into 6 plus, so perimeter equal to 8 into 6 plus 3 into 6. 3 also 6 times there, plus 2.5 repeated 8 times. And if you add all this together by multiplying, we will get 86. So answer is 86 centimeter. So this is how we are supposed to do this question. Okay. Now let's go to the next question. Find the highest odd number that is a factor of 60 and factor of 90. So if you take 60 and 90, '15 is a number which can divide both. So 15 4 ja, 15 6 ja. Now, so 15 is the highest odd fact number, that is the answer for this. Highest odd number, that is a factor of 60 and a factor of 90. Okay. This is just 1 mark question. So this is sufficient answer for that. Okay, let's go to the next question. Question number 3. It says Mrs. Salman gives her class 2 mathematics tests. The scatter diagram shows information about the marks each student scored. Now write down the highest mark scored on test 1. So test 1 is here shown on the x-axis. So you can see what is the highest mark on test 1. That you can see here 66. Look at this. So answer will be 66. Write down the type of correlation shown in the scatter diagram. So if you see the pattern of the scattered points, it is showing going upward from left to right. That means it is a positive correlation. Positive correlation. Okay. Now it says draw a line of best fit on the scatter diagram. So what you can do, we divide the points almost equally in 2 halves. So how to decide that? By putting a ruler, you can draw a line here, a straight line you need to draw. Okay. So let me show you here. I cannot use the ruler here, so I will be showing it. Your lines will go like this. So we have drawn. That must be a straight line. You must use ruler and pencil for drawing the line. Okay. Now it's part D. Hamish scored a mark of 40 on test 1. He was absent for test 2. Use your line of best fit to find an estimate for his mark on test 2. So according to the line, see, it says when mark of 40 on test 1. So 40. So for 40, you'll go up from here and then we'll find the corresponding value, and that's coming 48. You can see here 48. So answer will be 48. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Let's go to the next question. Question number 4. A bag contains blue, red, yellow and green balls only. A ball is taken from the bag at random. The table shows some information about the probabilities. Color blue, red, yellow, green. Probabilities are 0.15, 0.2, empty blank space there, then 0.43. To complete the table, as we know that sum of probability must be 1. So adding all these, we should get 1. So suppose it's here x, then what will be doing? 0.15 plus 0.2 plus x plus 0.43 is equal to 1. So x equal to 1 minus 0. If you add all and subtract from 1, you will be getting 0.78 if you are adding all this. So answer will be 0.22. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . Okay, so 0.22 is the answer for this. Now, Abdul takes a ball at random and replaces it in the bag. He does this 200 times. Find how many times he expects to take a red ball. So there are it is 200 times. And what is the probability for red ball? We can see here in the table it's 0.2 here. So 200 times 0.2, and that comes 40. So answer will be 40. Okay. Now let's go to the next question. The nth term of a sequence is 60 minus 8n. Find the largest number in this sequence. As you can see, n is associated with 8, which is negative. So largest value we have to find out. So largest value finding means n should be smallest, and when we start finding number of terms, we always start with n equal to 1. So largest, that will be n equal to 1 will give us the largest value. What will be doing? 60 minus 8 into 1, that is equal to 52. So right here 52. Okay. Okay. Now here are the first 5 terms of a different sequence: 12, 19, 26, 33, 40. So what is happening here? Let us see. This is, you can see easily that it is arithmetic sequence, because every time is being added 7. So what will be the nth term? 7 is there every time, so 7n. Now what we can add or subtract here? So n equal to 1. If you go one step back, what will be getting? 12 minus 7, that will give us 5. 5 is positive, so 7n plus 5. If we would have got negative number, so we will subtract from 7, n. Sorry. So 7n plus 5. Let's go to the next question. Question number 6. The diagram shows a trapezium. Two angles are shown here. Work out the value of x. You can see here the two parallel sides, this one and this one. So they are co-interior angles, and we know that sum of co-interior angles is 180 degrees. So what does it mean? 97 minus 3x plus 69 plus 5x is equal to 180 degrees. So we get 2x plus 166 is equal to 180. This implies that 2x is equal to 180 minus 166, that is equal to 2x equal to 14. This implies that x equal to 7. So x equal to 7 is the answer. This question carries 3 marks. Very simple one. Okay. Next one. Question number 7. 234 equal to 2 times 3 square into 13. 1872 equal to 2 power 4 into 3 square into 13, and 234 into 1872 equal to 438,048. So use this information to write 438,048 as a product of its prime factors. So what you need to do, we need to combine both. So let's do 234 into 1872, that is equal to 2 into 3, for 234 it is 2 into 3 square into 13. Now for 1872 we have 2 power 4, 2 raised to the power 4 into 3 square into 13. Now let us combine the like one. So 2 times here 2 power 1, 2 power 4, it becomes 2 raised to the power 5 into 3, here 3 square, there also 3 square, so 3 raised to the power 4 into 13 and 13, so 13 square. So this is your answer, 2 to the power 5 into 3 raised to the power 4 into 13 raised to the power 2. That's it. Let's go to the next question. Without using a calculator, work out 2 whole 1 by 3 minus 7 by 8 into 6 by 25. You must show all your working and give your answer as a fraction in its simplest form. So remember, whenever it is mentioned that without using a calculator in fraction questions, it means that examiner will be expecting from us each and every steps explained here. Nothing should be hidden, all the steps must be shown. So we need to show each and every step. So let's start from the first. It says we have a mixed fraction, so we'll change into improper fraction. So 2 whole 1 by 3, so 3 to just 6 plus 1, 7 by 3 minus 7 by 8 into 6 by 25. So first step done. Now we need to simplify the bracket. So if you simplify the bracket, what we'll do, we'll make the denominator same because you have to subtract. So if you are going to make denominator same, we have 7 by 3 and here we have 8. So 3 and 8, LCM of 3 and 8 will be 24. So we need to multiply this by 8, top and bottom both. 7 by 8, so that you need to multiply by 3, top and bottom, right, into 6 by 25. So now 56 by 24 minus 21 by 24 into 6 by 25. Now if you subtract 21 from 56, we get 35. So 35 by 24. Bracket part done. Now into 6 by 25. Now how to simplify this? 5 table both comes, so 5 5 are 25, 5 7 are 35, 6 1 are 6, 6 4 are 24. So 7 1 are 7, Divide by 5 4 is 20. 7 by 20. This is your answer. To get full marks, you need to show all these work. So that is your answer. 7 by 20. Let's go to the next part. Now algebra question. It says factorize completely. Okay, so factorize completely. So we'll find the highest common factor. There are only two terms. So we'll see for numbers first. We have 21 and 28. What is the highest common factor in 21 and 28? That is 7. 7. So put 7 here. Now a square and here a. So we take the variable with lower power. So a will be coming as the factor, common factor outside. So 7a. Now 7a multiplied by what number, or you can say that 21a square divided by 7a. I am showing here 21a square divided by 7a. So we will be getting 3a. So we will write here 3a. Okay. Now same way we will divide 28ab by 7a. So 28ab by 7a. Then we will be getting 7 4 jar 28. A cancelled out. So we are left with 4b. So in bracket comes 4b. So this is your answer. Let me erase this rough work. Okay. Now I'll write your answer in the answer space. 7a into 3a plus 4b. Done. Next. Here you have to be careful. It says, see, 20x square minus 45y square. You can see both terms are squared. So that means we can think of difference of squares pattern. So difference of squares, how to find? The numbers also should be squared numbers. But here 20 and 45 are not squared numbers. So first of all, we need to take highest common factor out. So 20 and 45. So we can take highest common factor 5 common. Then what will be getting? 4x square minus 9y square. Now we can see 4 and 9 both are squared numbers, right? Now this can be written as 4x square can be written as 2x whole square minus 3y whole square, right? So next, you are aware of a square minus b square identity. I will show here. Here a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. This identity we are using, and using this identity we can factorize this. In place of a square we have 2x square, so we get 2x. In place of b we have 3y, so plus 3y into 2x minus 3y. So this is your answer. 5 times 2x plus 3y times 2x minus 3y. Okay. Let's go to the next part. Question number 10. Points A, B, C, D, E and F lie on the circle center O. Find the value of x and the value of y. So we need to apply the circle properties, angle properties in circle. So if you can see here, this is the angle at the center, this is the angle at the circumference. So what is the relation? Angle at the circumference is half of the angle at the center, right? So x is equal to 110 divided by 2, that will be 55. So here we will be writing 55. Now we have to find y. As you can see here, this arc ED, on the arc ED we have these two angles y and 24. So they are angle in the same segment for arc ED, and we know that angles in the same segment are equal. So that means y equal to 24. Okay, so x equal to 55, y equal to 24. Okay. Now question number 11. We have a diagram here. It says the diagram shows the speed time graph for 90 seconds of a journey. Calculate the total distance traveled during the 90 seconds. As you know, to find the distance traveled from a speed time graph, we calculate area under the graph. So area under the graph, if we have to find, what you can do, we can divide the shape like, just a moment. I'm drawing lines from here. Oh, going somewhere else. Just a moment. So this is one trapezium here. There are divisions. So this number 1, this is number 2, right? We have a rectangle and we have a trapezium. We'll find area for both. So you can see area of trapezium can be found by using the formula half a plus b into h. So area 1 is equal to half a plus b, means parallel sides, sum of parallel sides. Sum of parallel sides, the longer one, this drawn line which I drew just now, that is 12. So this will be 12 plus, this is from here to here, it is 6. So 6 into height. Height will be from here 0 to 30. So 30. Okay. So that means we, if you calculate, we get 270. That is 270 meter. That will be distance. Let us don't write here. Now area 2. Is equal to, now here what we will be doing? Area 2 means we have to find area using the formula length into width. This is 30 to 90, means there is a gap of 60. So that means length is 60. And what about the width? Width will be from here to here, that is 12. So 60 into 12. 60 into 12, that is 720. So distance traveled. Distance traveled is equal to 270 plus 720 that is equal to 990. So 990 meter. So we need to write here in the answer space. Okay, that's it. That is the answer. Okay, let's go to the next part. Now, question number 12. Gemma records the times in seconds taken for a group of children and a group of adults to complete a puzzle. The box and whisker plot shows the information about the times taken for the children to complete the puzzle. For children, it is shown on the graph. Now it says find the interquartile range of the times taken for the children to complete the puzzle. As you know, interquartile range is given by Q3 minus Q1, means third quartile minus first quartile. So we will do Q3 minus Q1 is equal to, now we have to find the Q3. Q3, if you see here, this is 70, this line. So 70 minus Q1. Q1 is here. So this is 48. You can find from here. So 48. That is 22. So answer will be 22 seconds. Clear? Okay. The next part. The table shows some information about the times in seconds taken for the adults to complete the puzzle. Minimum value given, lower quartile given, median given, upper quartile and maximum. All these points. 4 points are required for box and whisker plot, and all the 5 points required, and all the 5 points are given here, right? So we'll start with minimum. So let us plot there. Let me take another color so that we can differentiate. So it says minimum 28. So 28 will be here. You can see 10 divisions is 20. That means each division is 2 each, right? So that means 20 and 4th divisions, that will be 28. So first, second, third and fourth line from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here. Next. Lower quartile is 42. 40 is there. So 42 means next line after 40. So 42 will be here. Okay. Next. We have 58 is the median. So 58 is the median. So just before 60, previous line, that is our 58. So we will be using ruler. I am not able to draw line properly here because it is freehand drawing. And next is upper quartile, which is 70. So 70 is here. Okay. Now the maximum value is 75. So between 70 and 80, that will be 2.5 line. So here. Okay. So what you need to do, you need to join them. This line will be here. Let me make this line shorter. That was 28, fourth line. We will join this whisker. So this is how we need to draw the box and whisker plot. I hope this is clear to you. Let's go to the next part. Question number 13. So here we have circle. C lies on a circle with diameter AD. B lies on AC and E lies on AD, such that BE is parallel to CD. AB equal to 21 centimeter, CD equal to 18 centimeter, and BE equal to 13.5 centimeter. Work out the radius of the circle. As you can see here, we have to find the radius of the circle. So you can see here AD is the diameter. So if we are able to calculate AD, then we can divide this by 2 and get the radius, right? So now we have to see how to find AD diameter. So we will apply similar triangle property here. We have learned in IGCSE maths. So in triangle ABE, let us work out this. In triangle ABE, in triangle ABE, AE, we need to find AE. We are talking about this triangle. As this will be a right angle triangle, because angle C is also right angle. Why? Angle in the semicircle, because AD is diameter. So this is corresponding angle because CD and B are parallel. So angle at B also will be 90 degree. So in this right angle triangle ABE, we are finding AE, that is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse will be found by the square of the first leg and then square of the second sum, and then take the square root. So we have 21 square plus 13.5 square, and if you calculate this, we get 24.965. I have taken answer of this calculation more than 3 SF because this is not our final answer. So we should always take more SF, at least 4 or 5 SF for the intermediate answers, so that our final answer will be correctly coming in 3 SF. Okay. Now triangle ABE and ACD are similar. So in that case, what will happen? We'll get ratio of their corresponding sides will be same. So AD ratio AE, AD ratio AE is equal to CD ratio BE. Okay. CD and BE. Corresponding sides ratio are equal. This is the property of similarity. Now we'll put the values. AD we have to find out. So AD as it is. AE we have calculated 24.965, 24.965, and that is equal to CD is equal to 18 from the diagram, and BE is 13.5. Okay. So this implies that AD equal to 18 into 24.965 divided by 13.5, and this implies that AD equal to, if you calculate this, we are getting 33.2866 and so on. Okay, so we got AD. Now we have to find the radius. So radius equal to AD divided by 2 So we'll do 33.2866. If you divide by 2, that comes 16.6433, so on. So final answer in 3SF is 16.6 centimeter. Okay. Now question number 14. Now question number 14. This is a function question. Fx equal to 4x plus 3, gx equal to 5x minus 4, fgx equal to 20x plus p. Find the value of p. So what you need to do, we need to find fgx and then we'll compare with fgx given here. Okay. So fgx means we have to find the composite function. We have to put gx into fx. So let us find fgx. Fgx is equal to f. Gx is how much? 5x minus 4. So that means we have to find 5x minus 4. So what does it mean? Now in place of x in function f, we have to substitute 5x minus 4. So 4, and in place of x we will be writing 5x minus 4. Then there is a plus 3, so we will put plus 3. We will simplify this. We get 20x minus 16 plus 3. So that will be 20x minus 13. Now we have to compare this with 20x plus p. If we compare, we can see here p equal to minus 13. Minus 13. So this is our answer. Now it says hx equal to 5x minus 1 by 3. Find h inverse x. So hx equal to 5x minus 1 by 3, h inverse x we have to find out. So always start with, in place of hx you write y. So y equal to, we have 5x minus 1 divided by 3. Now swap x and y. So x is equal to 5y minus 1 by 3. Now we have to make y subject. So 3 will be shifted to the left side. That is, will be multiplied with x. So 3x is equal to 5y minus 1. This implies that 3x plus 1 is equal to 5y. Now 5 will be shifted this side. So 3x plus 1 divided by 5, that is equal to y. So h inverse x is equal to, you can write 3x plus 1 divided by 5. Answer. Done. Question number 15. It says P, R and Q are points on the circle. AB is a tangent to the circle at Q. QR bisects angle PQB. QR bisects angle PQB. That means if this is X, this also will be x, right? Angle BQR equal to x degree and angle x less than 60 degree. So use the information to show that triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. Give a geometrical region for each step of your work. So to show that it is an isosceles triangle, we need to show two angles are equal, two sides will be equal, right? If two angles are equal, you can show here. How? Let us see. Angle QPR in triangle PQR, let us write angle QPR. I am talking about this angle here, equal to x. Can you tell me why? If you remember alternate segment theorem. So by alternate segment theorem, it is x degree. So you can write here alternate segment theorem. Okay. Next, angle PQR, as I have shown there, also will be x degree. Why? Because QR as QR bisects angle PQB. PQB. Now in triangle PQR, you can see here angle QPR is equal to angle PQR is equal to x degree. Therefore, triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Okay. We have proved this. We'll get 3 marks for this. Now question number 16. M is inversely proportional to the square of P minus 1. When P equal to 4 and M equal to 5, find M when P equal to 6. So first of all, we need to set up the equation for inversely proportional. So it, as it says, M will be K by, that is inversely proportional, so K by P minus 1 whole square. So it says square of P minus 1. Okay. Now let us put the values. 5 equal to K by P value is, when M equal to 5, P equal to 4. So 4 minus 1, 3, 3 square is 9. So K equal to 5 times 9, that is 45. Okay. So K part we calculated. So now our equation becomes M equal to, put the K value here, 45 divided by P minus 1 whole square. P minus 1 whole square, right? Now 45, P value is known. It is given here 6. So 6 minus 1, 5. 5 square is 25. So put here 25. If you simplify, we get 9 by 5. So m equal to, you can write 9 by 5, or you can write 4 whole 1 by 5. Both way you can write the answer. So we are done with this. Okay. Here is the next question. Question number 17. This is a vector question. Now m equal to 5, 7. To find 3m. Column vector given here 5, 7. We have to find 3m. So 3m equal to this. What does it imply? That 3m is equal to 3 times 5, 7. That is equal to 15, and 3 7 are 21. Okay. So answer will be 15, 21. Okay. Now VW equal to 10 minus 24. Find magnitude of vector VW. So as we know that if we have a vector given, we have to apply the Pythagoras theorem to find the magnitude. So to find magnitude, what will be doing? 10 square plus minus 24 square, that is equal to root under 100 plus 576, that is 676 root, so that will be 26. So answer is 26. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Now part B. OABC is a parallelogram. OA equal to P, OC equal to Q. E is the point on AB such that AE ratio EB equal to 3:1. Find OE in terms of P and Q in its simplest form. So what does it mean? See, OA equal to P, given that means C to B also will be P, right? O to C, OC equal to Q, that means this is also Q altogether, A to B, because their parallel sides are, so vectors will be equal. Now OE, find OE, we have to find out. It says E is the point on AB such that AE ratio EB equal to 3:1. So here this is 3, this is 1, that means this is 3/4, this is 1/4. So 3/4 and 1/4 of what? Of AB. So AB is Q, so 3/4 of Q and 1/4 of Q, right? Let us find OE. So OE is equal to O to A, so OA plus AE, right? That is OA is P, so P plus AE. You can see there I wrote 3/4Q. 3/4Q. This is our answer. P plus 3 by 4 Q or 3/4 Q. Done. Let's go to the next question. 18. It says P equal to 2 times W plus H. W equal to 12, correct to the nearest whole number. H equal to 4, correct to the nearest whole number. Work out the upper bound for the value of P. So we have to find the upper bound, and there is addition involved. What it means, we need to take upper bound of W and upper bound of H, add together, then multiply by 2 to get the upper bound of P. Okay, so as 12 we have, so upper bound of W will find. Let me find W upper bound. It is correct to the nearest whole number, that means 1 divided by 2, that will be 0.5. 0.5 will be added in 12 to get the upper bound. So 12 plus 0.5 is equal to 12.5. Now H upper bound, that will be 4. Same way, this is also correct to the nearest whole number. So 4 plus 0.5, that is 4.5. Right. Next, we have to find P upper bound. So P upper bound equal to 2 times the value you got here, 12.5 plus 4.5, that is, if we multiply out, this will get 34. So 34 is the answer. Okay, let's go to the next question. 19. The diagram shows cuboid ABCDEFGH of length 20 cm and the width 5.5 cm. The volume of the cuboid is 490 cm3. Find the angle between the line AG and the base of the cuboid ABCD. So, find the angle between the line AG and the base of the cuboid ABCD. What you need to do here, let us take AG. Let me draw AG. So AG we have there, and we have to find the angle from here to so we need to find this angle here, this one. If this is x, let us set x. Okay, this angle we have to find. If we have to find that angle, what we need, first of all, at least 2 sides are required to apply Soh-Kartova. Okay, here volume given, and so height is missing here, right? So we can find the height. How? Volume divided by L into B. So volume equal to 495 divided by L is 20, B is 5.5, and if you calculate this, we get 4.5. Okay. Now we need one more side. What we can do? We can calculate AC. So let me show you a separate diagram for that triangle. This angle we have to find out. This we calculated, that is just 4.5. we have to find, this is A, this is C, this is G. AC we have to find out. You can see here AC diagonal of the base rectangle. So that how can we find? We can apply the Pythagoras theorem. These two sides are known. So AC is equal to root under 20 square plus 5.5 square. That is 20.742. Again, I am not writing this answer in 3SF. I am writing more SF so that we can get our final answer correct. Okay. Always keep in mind, don't write intermediate answers in 3SF. That should be more than 3SF. It can be 5SF, 6SF. Okay. Now you can find in this triangle you can apply Sohokar-Toa trigonometry we can apply and find this. So this we got 20.742 AC known and 4.5 is CG. So we can take tan x equal to opposite by adjacent. So 4.5 divided by 20.742. So x equal to tan inverse 4.5 divided by 20.742, and that comes 12.2406. 12.2406 and more. So answer for angle we must write in 1 dp as the Cambridge says. So we need to write 12.2 degrees. Okay. Okay. Now let's go to the next part. Question number 20. Curve y equal to x square minus 2x plus 1 is drawn on a grid. A line is drawn on the same grid. The point of intersection of the line and the curve are used to solve the equation x square minus 7x plus 5 equal to 0. Find the equation of the line in the form y equal to mx plus c. So what you need to do, we have to take this final equation given here. X square minus 7x plus 5 we should solve using this information. So what does it mean? Let us write here x square minus 7x plus 5, that is equal to 0. And what we should bring on the left side, we should have only this y equal to x square minus 2x plus 1. So x square already there. So to get minus 2x, if we add 5x here, we'll get minus 7 plus 5 minus 2x, and we need plus 1. That means we need to subtract 4, right? So what you are doing this side, we will be doing other side also. So 5x minus 4. Okay. So let's add. We get x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 5x minus 4. That is equal to y equal to, we can write 5x minus 4. So this is our equation of the line, 5x minus 4. I hope this is clear to you. The next question, question number 21. Expand and simplify. So we'll expand these brackets. So first, always you should expand the first two brackets, then the whatever answer we are getting will multiply out with the third bracket. So let's multiply the first two. So x into x, that gives us x square, then x into minus 5, that is minus 5x plus 3x. Next, 3 into minus 5, that is minus 15. And the last bracket, keep it as it is, 3x minus 1. So this equal to x square minus 2x minus 15 into 3x minus 1. If you simplify, we got this. Now we need to expand these two brackets. So we get 3x cube, x square multiplied with 3x, that gives us 3x cube. Then x square into minus 1, that gives us minus x square. Then comes minus 2x into 3x minus 6x square, minus 2x into minus 1 plus 2x. Now minus 15 into 3x, so minus 45x, and minus 15 into minus 1 plus 40 plus 15. And if you simplify this, we get 3x cube minus 7x square, combining the like terms, then minus 43x plus 15. So this is our answer. So we are done with this. Next, last question. Find the area of a regular hexagon with side length 7.4 centimeter. So to find the area of a regular hexagon, we can use a direct formula, but that is not part of our IGCSE syllabus. So what we have learned in IGCSE syllabus, that I'll show you how to use. Okay. So if you have a regular hexagon, in the center, the triangle what we get here, that is a right angle triangle. This is the property. Okay. So there will be such 6 triangles, 6 equilateral triangles. So we can find area of one equilateral triangle. As you know, here angle sum equal to 360 divided into 6, that means each angle is 60 degree, right? So what you can do to find the area, we can do, there are 6 triangles, so 6 into half. We have learned in trigonometry, half in A into B into sine C. This is the formula, right? So you can put the values, 6 into 1 by 2 into, sides are given here, 7.4. So A and B both value is 7.4 because this is equilateral triangle. So 7.4 into sine of 60 degree. If you calculate using calculator, this gives us 142.2706 and so on. So our answer becomes in 3s 142 centimeter square. Okay, so what I did here, there are 6 equilateral triangles. We find find area of one equilateral triangle multiplied by 6. So we use the trigonometric formula, that half AB sine C. Okay, so this is your answer, 140. So we are done with this paper. In my next video, I'll be solving paper 4.1 of May-June 2020. So keep watching my channel and don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed yet, and please like and share the video. Thank you. Thank you so much. Keep watching.